Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. Fate of Congress-NCP Coalition to be sealed in Delhi within a fortnight. MGP undecided says party's central committee will decide. Congress party shortlists 20 candidates in 20 non-disputed constituencies. Congress observer objects to Shah Commission members' media statements. Brar says options for CM open, MLAs to decide after poll. Family from Karmali is in distress. Old-age mother looking after two mentally ill grown-up sons plead for help. Life full of hardships for 70-year-old Tulsi. Watch our special report by Vivek Prabhu. New boys score on I-League debut. Sporting Club the Goa's James Moga and Prayag United's Yusuf Yakubu score a brace each. Match ends Sporting 2, Prayag 2. And New Zealand end 24-year wait. Win Rugby World Cup 2011. Goa Rugby Football Union organised special screening of finals. GRFU bring Goans close to rugby action to popularise the sport. And now the news in detail. Decision on Congress-NCP seat sharing and coalition will be finalized in Delhi within a fortnight. MGP presently has no fixed agenda on the coalition issue. All the three parties held a joint meeting on Sunday in Panji, but it was not a fruitful one. MGP, the third coalition partner, has not conveyed anything in specific to the Congress. MGP maintained that it has more proposals to discuss and decision on coalition will be taken by MGP's Central Committee.
There are hardly 4 to 5 months left for assembly election. On this backdrop, political parties are in the process of finalizing their seats and fixing their constituencies. Congress, NCP and MGP are alliance partners in the ruling coalition government. Leaders of all the three parties met at Altino at CM's residence on Sunday. Congress Goa desk in charge Jagmeet Singh Brar, Sudhakar Reddy, Bharti Chavan of NCP, Deepak Dhavadikar of MGP and other leaders represented their respective parties.
MGP has constituted a committee to talk on the coalition in the next election. So our committee will sit and talk. And our committee is free to talk on with all the parties.
And we are looking forward for alliance positively. No, that is enough to say. That is enough to say. So we had a very good discussion. We are going positively on alliance.
But your executive has already decided that 14 constituencies are very favorable for NCP.
Yes.
So you have conveyed that thing that
we have quoted as our statement. We have quoted. But
14
now
constituencies are
our discussion is very good.
Subhash Shirodkar says decision regarding coalition will be taken in Delhi within fortnight. Meeting with MGP on coalition will be held separately in November.
After Diwali, we are going to invite the committee members of MGP to discuss with them.
The MGP is asking for 14 seats.
So far, nothing of this sort has been decided. It has been decided only very specifically that let this issue of seat sharing be discussed in Delhi in the presence of the emissaries from both the parties.
Naresh Sawal and Valanka Alemao also met Jagmeet Singh Brar.
ब्रार आमकां वचन दिल्लें आसा आमचेर अन्याय जावचो ना हे तेणी आमकां सामकें सांगलें आसा तिकेट दितलो म्हणून तेणें सांगलें न्ही म्हणजे अन्याय जावचो ना हेचो अर्थ तिकेट मेळटली अशें म्हणूं येता.
See, there's a long way to go. They made me the General Secretary, so hopefully I'm doing a lot of hard work for the party and the party high command will decide.
Dayanand Narvekar briefed Brar on the burning illegal mining issue. Meanwhile, Central Leader of Congress Oscar Fernandes met State Congress leaders few moments before the commencement of coalition talks between Congress, NCP and MGP. Right now, nothing is decided on coalition and the arithmetic of coalition is not so easy. As per the available information, Congress is ready to leave at the most 6 places for NCP, but NCP is adamant on 10 seats. However, the MGP has kept all its options open. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Congress party has shortlisted 20 candidates in 20 non-disputed constituencies for upcoming assembly poll. Party Central Observer Jagmeet Singh Brar said that the list will be announced from Delhi shortly. Brar has also clarified that the options for CM are open and decisions will be taken by the MLAs after the poll. Brar has also appealed to the Shah Commission not to make any statements in the media on illegal mining before the Commission completes its probe.
We have shortlisted 20 candidates who are basically, some of them are sitting, some of them are party senior leaders. No decision yet, about whom there is no controversy or the seniority and the merit, and their winning chances are very high.
Brar addressed the media in Congress House at Panji on Sunday. Brar has objected to Shah Commission members' statements in the media before completion of the probe.
Whatever decision they take, we bow our head before them. I would like to request the Honourable, with due respect to everybody in the Commission, please keep restraint.
Brar also said that government's policy on MOI won't change. The decision taken by the cabinet remains. Congress has also scheduled the Padyatra in all 40 constituencies.
So we would like to finish this Padyatra on the 9th, starting from the 14th November. We have decided that during this period, right from South Goa to North Goa, important leaders, MLAs, members of parliament, ministers, Congress frontal organizations, they will all participate.
He said that the statue of noted freedom fighter Purushottam Kakodkar will be installed in Parliament's premises.
We are planning a program of a special session that we will take into confidence. Our Speaker and the Deputy Speaker is here, that a special session that day, which should be addressed by some very important dignitary, a VVVIP for that matter. We will request, personally go and request the Honourable Congress President, Shri Rahul Gandhi, and the Prime Minister, Dr. Manmohan Singh ji. We would also call on and request our Honourable esteemed President, Pratibha Devi Singh ji Patil.
Our reporter Basuri Desai in Panji with video journalist Sirvesh Veluskar.
A 70-year-old mother who needs a helping hand at her old age is indeed looking after her 2 grown-up sons in late 30s. Both the sons are mentally ill. The old mother is facing a financial crunch to take care of her 2 sons. This is a story of a mother whose life is full of pains and hardships. She is pleading for help.
This is a story of 70-year-old Tulsi Gowde. She's a resident of Karmari. In her old age, she has to take care of her 2 sons. These are her sons, Anil and Vinay. Both are in late 30s. The whole Gowde family is living a hard life. Both the sons are mentally ill. They are locked in dark room. They are tired as they lose their mental balance. A 70-year-old mother who's actually in need of helping hand is at present forwarding her wrinkled hand to her sons. Financial crisis has further burdened Tulsi's family. Both of her bread earners are sitting at home in an unfortunate state. She is in search of a helping hand. Her son-in-law, who's a native of Belgaum, sometimes come down to Goa. That's an only helping hand for Tulsi's family right now. But still, the situation is not manageable. Treatment of Anil and Vinay demands huge amount of money. They can't afford it. The family is badly in need of financial help.
आणि आम्ही म्हटलं सरकाराकडल्यान मदत मिळून आलं कोणाकडल्यान मदत अशी मिळून आमकां तेंच्या आणि त्यांचे आंगार सुद्धा घालपाक कपडे सुद्धा नाका इतली परिस्थिती नाजूक आली गेले एका टायमार जिवतलो जाल्यार आमी एक किलो तांदूळ सुद्धा हाडून खावपाची परिस्थिती हांगा येयल्ली आसा अशें तुमी मदत करचें कोणी तरी ह्या भुरग्याक पळोवन.
Looking at the sufferings, if anyone intends to help Tulsi's family, then here is the bank account of Tulsi. The account is in name of Security Deposits at Vijaya Bank, Ponda branch. The account number is 6026010110000932.
अकस्मात 10 वर्सां पयलीं आपले दोगूय पूत अकस्मात आपले मानसीक संतुलन गमोवन बसले आणि तांची आवय जी आतां तिची पिराय आसा 70 वर्सां ती दोगूय पुताचो आपल्या सांबाळ करता आणि तिणें अशे तरेन एक उलो मारला गोंयभरचे जनतेक की आपल्याक आर्थीक मदत दिवची जेका लागून तेंची कितें तरी जावन भलायकी सुदरतली. हांव करमळीच्यान विवेक प्रभू प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर.
Will you help?
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.